This is ProMES from ProductSpace, the manufacturing execution platform that turns production data into decisions you can trust. Every plant knows these questions. Where is the order? Why did the line stop? Will we ship on time? Today, the answers live in spreadsheets, whiteboards, and phone calls. And they usually arrive late.
Here's why. Your ERP knows the plan. Your machines do the work. But everything between them, dispatching, work instructions, quality checks, traceability, runs on spreadsheets and memory. That gap has a name: manufacturing execution. ProMES is the execution backbone that closes it. It takes the plan down to every station, guides the work, and brings the truth back up, deciding what runs next and keeping the evidence of what actually happened. Not another dashboard, the layer where the factory runs. It starts with one version of the truth: orders, materials, machines, quality, and people. Stop living in separate places and become one production record. Every event, in context, on the record, for everyone.
So what does that actually change? Start with what running blind already costs.
Expediting and overtime. Scrap discovered too late. Hours of firefighting meetings. Audit scrambles. Throughput your assets could deliver, but don't. That's the chaos tax, and you're already paying it. ProMES turns that tax into headroom. Problems surface in the shift, not after it. Scrap is caught at the source, not at the dock. An audit becomes a search, not a scramble. And your true capacity stops hiding. More output from the assets you already own. Everyone gets something concrete. The plant head sees risk before it ships late. The quality lead turns a recall into a search. IT gets governed connectors, not another integration project. And the executive team reads capacity, cost, and risk from the same live picture. Here's how it does it. Inside ProMES, modules sit on one backbone, from master data and dispatch to quality, traceability, assets, and governed AI. You switch them on as you need them. First, see and decide. The command center puts the whole plant on one role-aware view: output against plan, orders at risk, quality holds. And the dispatch board sequences demand against real machine availability, material readiness, and live delays, so conflicts surface before they cost you. And a prioritized action center ranks what to act on now. Then, execute and assure. Every operator gets one terminal: the right order, the approved instruction, materials, and live process data at the point of work. Quality is captured in the same flow: inspections, results, and non-conformances in production context. Then, prove and improve. Any finished lot traces back to every input, machine, operator, and test in seconds in both directions. And OEE analytics rank availability, performance, and quality losses by what they cost. So improvement starts where it pays. And connect and govern. ProMES plugs into what you already own: ERP, PLM, machines, lab systems, on governed connectors whose health you can see. Governed AI lets authorized users simply ask. Every write needs human approval, and every prompt is audited. Under the hood, it speaks manufacturing's language: ISA 95 plant models, validated OPC UA tag maps, bi-directional SAP integration, and role-based control on every action. Getting there doesn't mean ripping anything out. Connect to the systems you own. Configure routings, approvals, and escalations. No code. Then run, line by line. So value starts early and grows with every station. ProMES by ProductSpace. Manufacturing execution. Manifested.
See it on your production, not ours. Book a demo. Bring one order and one bottleneck, and we'll run it through proMES.